How to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at same time. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at same time. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get right with this video. First of all, you have to open settings on your device. You need to tap connection and sharing option. Here you will get the option of personal hotspot. Tap on it and make sure to enable personal hotspot button at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap hotspot setting here. And here you need to select security, which is under advanced settings, and open security. And here tap on WPA2 personal. After that, tap on AB band and you can switch to 2.4 GHz jet, that is gigahertz, and after that come back to the C page. Before that, you can also tap on the tick mark at top right corner of the screen. Now come back to the home screen of your device. When you swipe to the bottom of the screen, here you need to search for the hotspot and tap on hotspot and switch it on. You can see that we are using Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is turned on as well as hotspot is also turned on. So now we can easily use the hotspot and Wi-Fi at same time. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.